Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best automotive products to help you make informed choices. Today, we're diving into the TONDA jack stand pads, a must-have for any car enthusiast or mechanic. These rubber pads are considered the best jack stand pads, offering superior protection for your vehicle while you work underneath. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIYer, these pads promise to keep your car safe from damage when using a jack. The TONDA jack stand pads are designed with a slotted groove in the center, making them perfect for protecting your vehicle's frame rail, particularly the pinch welds, from bending or scratching. This is essential if you use jack stands frequently and want to avoid costly bodywork repairs down the road. The slotted design is more than just a feature. It's a necessity for anyone who values the longevity of their car's undercarriage. One of the standout features of these pads is the anti-slip design. The waffle surface on top of each pad is engineered to enhance friction, giving you better grip when placing your jack stand. This added stability ensures that your vehicle stays securely in place while you're working, reducing the risk of accidents or damage. The pads are made from high-quality, durable rubber that can hold up to the rigorous demands of daily use. Whether you're working on a car, SUV, or light truck, these pads are designed to support up to 3 tons. That means they're versatile enough for a wide range of vehicles, making them a great addition to any garage toolkit. With the 4 pads included in each pack, you get excellent value for the protection they offer. These pads aren't just about durability, they're also about convenience. Their compact size means they're easy to store and carry, so you don't have to worry about bulky tools taking up space in your garage. And since they're made from durable rubber, you can trust that they'll last for a long time, standing up to all the wear and tear that comes with lifting and supporting your vehicle. If you're tired of using makeshift solutions that could potentially damage your car, or if you're simply looking to upgrade your garage essentials, the TONDA jack stand pads are the perfect choice. With their solid construction, protective design, and anti-slip grip, these pads are an invaluable tool for anyone who works on their car regularly. So, if you're ready to enhance the safety and longevity of your vehicle, consider getting the TONDA jack stand pads today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other product reviews to find more tools and gadgets to make your automotive tasks easier. See you next time on Product Critique.